Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Daily English Grow. It's really nice to see you here today. Before we start, take a deep breath and relax. You're here to learn English in a calm, natural way, just like how you talk to a friend. And today's topic is something we all do every day. Talk about your day. You know, this is one of the most useful topics in English. Why? Because people ask about it all the time. When you meet someone new, they might say, "Hey, how was your day?" or "What did you do today?" And if you can answer that question easily, it means you're becoming more confident in English. Talking about your day helps you practice simple grammar, daily vocabulary, and time expressions like in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. It also helps you sound natural, like a real English speaker. So in this video or podcast, we'll go step by step through a full daily routine, from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. You'll hear lots of easy verbs like wake up, brush, eat, go, study, and sleep. Don't worry. You don't need to understand everything at once. Just listen, repeat, and shadow with me. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, look outside your window, and the sun is shining. You stretch, smile, and say, "Good morning." Then you start your day full of energy, ready to learn something new, maybe even English. That's exactly what we'll do today. We'll walk through the day together, slowly and clearly, so you can learn how to describe your own routine. So, are you ready? Let's begin with the morning. I usually wake up at around 7 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes, if I sleep late, I wake up at 7:30. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and stretch my arms. Then I sit up in my bed for a few seconds to wake up my body. After that, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. I like to use cold water because it helps me feel more awake. Then, I comb my hair and look at myself in the mirror. Sometimes I smile and say, "Good morning," to myself. It helps me start the day with good energy. Next, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually eat something light, like bread with cheese, eggs, or cereal with milk. And of course, I drink a big glass of water or a cup of tea. While I eat, I sometimes check my phone, read messages, or watch a short video. After breakfast, I get dressed for the day. If I have classes or work, I choose my clothes carefully and make sure I look clean and ready. Then, I pack my bag, take my phone, keys, and water bottle, and I leave the house. I usually go to school or university by bus. The ride takes about 20 minutes. During that time, I like to listen to music or an English podcast to improve my listening skills. Sometimes I look out the window and enjoy the morning view. When I arrive at school or work, I start my day's main activities. If it's a school day, I attend classes, take notes, and listen to my teachers. I try to stay focused, but sometimes it's hard, especially after lunch. During break time, I chat with my friends, walk around, or go to the cafeteria for a snack. We usually talk about homework, movies, or weekend plans. Around 1 p.m., I eat lunch. Sometimes I bring food from home, and sometimes I eat outside. My favorite lunch is rice with chicken or pasta with vegetables. After lunch, I like to take a short walk if I can. It helps me relax. In the afternoon, I usually study, do my assignments, or work on projects. If I finish early, I like to go to the library or review my notes. Sometimes I also practice English by watching YouTube videos or reading short articles. It's important for me to learn a little every day. When I finish my classes or work, I go back home. I often arrive home around 5 or 6 p.m. The first thing I do is change my clothes and wash my hands. Then I rest for a few minutes, maybe lie on my bed or check my phone. That small rest gives me energy for the evening. In the evening, I usually spend time with my family. We sit together, talk about our day, and sometimes drink tea. Then I help my mom in the kitchen or prepare dinner myself. Dinner time is my favorite part of the day because I can relax and enjoy food with the people I love. After dinner, I often watch a movie, listen to music, or study again for a short time. Sometimes, I like to draw, read a book, or write in my journal about what happened during the day. Writing in English helps me improve my vocabulary and grammar. Around 9 or 10 p.m., I take a shower and get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I always check my phone one last time, maybe reply to messages or look at social media. Then I put my phone away, close my eyes, and think about the things I am grateful for. I usually say to myself, "Today was a good day. I did my best, and that makes me feel calm and happy before I sleep." So that was my daily routine, from morning to night. Now it's your turn. Try to write or speak about your day using the same structure. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do in the afternoon and evening? Remember, you don't need to have a perfect day. You just need to speak, practice, and use English every day. The more you talk about your day, the more natural and confident you will sound. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this script, repeat it every day to improve your speaking fluency. See you next time, and have a beautiful day.